Subscribe or this spider will haunt you in your dreams. Subscribe now.
Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel SM Education, the educational platform. Today we will learn about more about the internet, your lesson number 11 and page number 88. So before starting the class, those who have not subscribed the channel, subscribe soon and watch the video till last and share among your friends. So let's start. The first question is that what do you mean by internet? So internet is a network which connects people from all over the world. Internet is a network which connects people from all over the world. Means due to the internet we are connected together. Then the history of internet. The internet was founded by the Department of the Defense, DOD. The full form of DOD is Department of Defense, USA. In 1969, scientists thought to create a network that could continue working even in a nuclear attack. During the war, the scientists they thought to create a network that could continue working even the nuclear attack. Then this network was known as the ARPAN, ARPANET. This network was known as ARPANET, ARPANET, ARPANET. The full form is that A for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In 1980, National Science Foundation NSF linked 5 supercomputers in 5 universities to all scholars to share information on the latest technology. Means in 1980, National Science Foundation, this is the organization, National Science Foundation is an organization who linked 5 supercomputers in 5 universities to allow scholars to share information on the latest technology. Then it expanded regularly in the business, in the field of government organization, etc. and became the network all over the world, which is known as the internet. So what you read that the the internet was founded by the DOD USA and the scientists thought to create a network during the nuclear attack and this was known as the ARPANET. And in 1980 the National Science Foundation, this is the organization linked 5 supercomputers in the 5 universities to allow scholars to share the information on the latest technology. And this gradually increased in the field of business and the government organization. Okay, and this all over known as the internet. So now come to the internet access. Okay, internet access is meant to connect individual terminals, computers, mobile devices and computer networks to the internet. Internet access is meant to connect individual computers, mobile device, computer network to the internet. It means our mobiles, our computers terminals, our devices connect with the internet. This is the internet access. It enables users to access internet services such as email and the World Wide Web. Consumers use of the internet first become popular through dial-up internet access by the turn of the latest century. Nowadays, broadband internet access technologies are the most widely used. Now, internet service provider ISP. The full form of ISP is internet service provider. An internet service provider is a company that provides access to the internet through the various technologies. Means ISP. An internet service provider is a company who provides internet through the various technology. They give you a user name and a password on paying a fixed registration fee. Means students, when your home or your office when facilitated with Wi-Fi or broadband, this company, the ISP means Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, these are the companies. These companies give us a username and the password for this internet access, okay, and we are paying a registration fees or a fixed registration fees or the monthly payment also. The monthly payment depends on the use of the internet. BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Reliance, Tata, Airtel, MTS are some of the prominent internet service provider in India. Okay, those companies are BSNL, Reliance, Tata, Airtel, MTS are the some of the prominent internet service providers in the India. So, I'm thinking that you have better understanding about the internet, history of the internet and internet access and the internet service provider. So there is a check your progress in your page number 88. Internet was previously known as DES. Internet was previously known as DES. Okay. So find out that answer from your textbook and comment me in the comment box. I will go to the modem. A modem means modulator, demodulator is a device that enables a computer to transmit data over a telephone or cable lines. Okay, so modem is very important device. Through the modem, the mm, uh, the computer to transmit data over the telephone and the cable lines means the data transmitted to the computer through the cable lines or the this telephones. Okay, computer information is stored digitally, whereas information transmitted over the telephone lines is transmitted into the form of the analog signal. Modem converts between these two forms. It can be of two types. What is the function of modem? A modem is a device. You understand? A modem is a device that enables a computer to transmit data over telephone or cable lines. Computer information is stored digitally. The information stored digitally, whereas the information transmitted over telephone lines is transmitted into the form of analog signal. Means through the modem, this information transmitted in the form of analog signals. Modem converts between these two forms. Okay, means in the this digitally it is stored and it is transmitted in the analog signals. It is of two types, internal modem and the external modem. Internal modem is fitted inside the computer and the external modem is attached to externally with the computer. Okay, this is the picture of the modem. Then we will go to the downloading and uploading data. Downloading data means the process in which data is sent from the server to the user computer. Means from the server we download this data from the server to the user computer, means in our phone, in our computer. Okay, a user can download the desired data both for free or through some payment. On the other hand, uploading data means the process of sending data from the user computer to the server. And means when we taking the data from the server to our computer, it is known as downloading data. But when we giving the data to the server, this is known as server from our computer, from our mobile phone, this is known as uploading data. In this way, a user can share pictures, videos, etc. with other peoples all over the world. Okay, then domain names. A domain name is a web address. What is a domain name? A domain name is a web address like URL, Uniform Resource Locator, but it is much easier to understand than the URL. For example, www.google.com, this is the web address and this is the domain name. The web address are the domain names. Okay. Some of the secondary extension having specific meaning are given below. .gov means this is giving the meaning of government agency. .org non-profit organization. .com commercial business. .in Indian website. .edu educational institution. .mil military. .net network organization. Means see www.google.com. So .com means it is a commercial business website address is there. Okay. If there is a www.cbse.gov means it is the CBSE government agencies. So these are the domain names or the address. The web address is known as the domain. Okay. Then we will go to the email. Email is the transmission of messages and files via computer network. Okay, email is a transmission of message or files via a computer network, means transmissions of the transmitting of the message or files through the computer network is known as the email, or the email full form is the electronic mail. Apart from text, you can also send images and videos via email. Email is very much reliable, that is it transfer the message and file without any delay or any damage. Okay. In case of any error, the error message is sent to the sender. Any form of data can be sent through the email. So email is very useful and it is very cheap because through the email, while sending the message or the file through the email, it is a very cheap. The cost is very low. Okay. So it is a very reliable. Then I will go to the email address. Email address is the unique address of the user on the email server. Okay, it is the email address is the unique address of the user on the server. The user has a unique username which helps him to open the electronic mailbox. Okay, every user have a unique username, okay, to open the electronic mailbox. For example, the email address of Rohan is rohan8@gmail.com. Here Rohan8 is the unique address of the Rohan and Gmail is the mail server. He can open his mailbox only by entering the username and the password set by him. So, a email address having a username and a password. Okay. Now the email service provider. An email service provider or a mail server is a company which provide the email service. Okay, email service provider or the mail server is a company who provide us the email service. There are many email service providers which provide email service free of cost. For example, Google, Yahoo, Red Fill Mail, etc. are the email service provider. Okay, so this is all about the theory of your this lesson, more about the internet. Today we discussed about the history of the internet. What do you mean by the internet access, and the internet service provider, modem and the type of modem, downloading data and the uploading data, domain names, email and the email address, and email service provider. So students, watch the full video until the last, and in the coming class, the part 2, I will teach you how to create a email account, and how to open your email, and how to send a email, and receiving and forwarding the emails, and replying to the emails, and deleting the mails, and log out or sign out. Okay, so in the part 2, your class is a fully the practical class. So everybody read that watch the first video and wait for the second video. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.